Housing problems. So today we're going to learn about different housing problems. There is a leak in my bedroom. Let's talk about leak. A leak is when liquid or gas escapes from a small opening in a wall or from a broken pipe. What do you do when there is a leak in your home? Write your ideas. So this is an actual picture from my home when we had a leak in our bedroom. And that's my hand holding up the bucket trying to catch some of the water. So what you can do as a teacher is you can start by asking your students, did they ever experience this? And have them write their ideas on what do they do when there is a leak. Let's look at the conversation between tenant and superintendent. You want to go over these two words first. A tenant is a person who lives in the apartment or the home. A superintendent is the person who makes sure everything in the building is safe and comfortable. We also call this a building manager. You can have two students practice reading the conversation. For example, tenant, hello, this is Jamie from apartment 6. There is a leak in my bedroom. Superintendent, okay, where is the leak coming from? It is coming from my bedroom ceiling. I am holding a bucket to catch the water. Okay, I will be there in a few minutes. In the meantime, continue using the bucket to catch the water. I'm on my way. Thanks so much. True or false? The leak is coming from the bedroom ceiling. So for this one, you can ask this whole class this question and they can just tell you the answer, or you can have a student ask their classmate and they can respond. Now let's look at some vocabulary. Let's say this together. Leak, crack, clog, or stopped up, broken. What do these words mean? You can go over the definitions with your class, and then you want everyone to look at the pictures. What is the problem? So you can give this as an in-class activity where the students can work together. Using the vocabulary, they can choose the word that goes with the picture. For example, the kitchen sink. What vocabulary word would you use to describe the kitchen sink? If you said this word, you are correct. Welcome to Dara Says, English Tips for Daily Use. Always try your best.